Kinder Club, welcome back. We're going to talk about something new this week. We're going to talk all about numbers and counting. In your Kinder Club kit, you should have received a green piece of paper with two little hands on it. Do you have yours? Good. Did you bring your hands? The first book I'd like to read today is all about your hands. It's called The Handiest Things in the World. It was written by Andrew Clements. This is an author that writes a lot of juvenile fiction books too. I just love the photography in this book. The handiest things in the world. Of all the handy things there are, the hand itself is best by far. To grab, to hold, to pull or twist, the hand itself is handiest. But other things are handy too. Just look around, you'll see it's true. Which things are handiest for you? Depends on what you need to do. The things I want to show you here, old things and new, from far and near, they all came from a simple plan. The hand is where it all began. Mealtime happens every day. Keep your fingers clean this way. Don't let Rover stray away. This will hold him night and day. You have to use your hands to hold a leash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add, subtract, then add again. We're going to use our fingers to add and subtract today. Zigzag, flip, flip, flap, hard to get. Catch 'em with your handy net. 2 wet hands can hold and pour. This will pour a whole lot more. Raindrops falling from the sky. This will help to keep you dry. I wish I might, I wish I may, sweep this dusty stuff away. Hands can help sweep. Handmade shade for squinty eyes. This will help with sunny skies. Digging in and scooping down. Let's move lots of dirt around. Your hands can do that. Tidy is the way to be. This will help enormously. A comb to comb your hair. Flap one hand to make a breeze. Push more air with one of these. Tap in rhythm, keep the beat. Work with these and make some heat. What's the width or length or height? This thing always gets it right. That's a yardstick. You could use a ruler to measure too. Sticky fingers make a mess. Mixers make the mess much less. Waves will wash these words away. Write this way and words will stay. So you could use a crayon. When windy winter time appears, these feel good on frosty ears. Earmuffs. 10,000 years have come and gone. Our hands keep working on, and as the future years unfold, new handy tools will grip or hold. Whatever we need to do, one fact remains forever true. For sharing love with tenderness, the hand itself is handiest. You could hold hands with your hands. Well, in your packet are your little hands, and the fingers can bend down. Did you notice that? So I made mine to look like this. It says, I can count. I can use my hands to count. And when you get yours, you'll see the directions and a tiny little bag of dots. Step 1 says to put numbers on all of those dots, just like I did. And then you can use a glue stick and glue them in order. Put them under each little finger and thumb. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So when you want to count, you can use your fingers. I also added an L for left and an R for right. That was my left hand and my right hand. Can you do that at home? This is another book about counting. I used a crayon to put my numbers on, and this is all about crayons. It's called the Crayola Counting Book. I'm just going to read part of this book. Counting fun. So many crayons, so many colors. How many crayons do you see? We could count those crayons, but there's another way to count. How many crayons are there? Let's count them one at a time. So we'll start with the red crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're up to 5 on your hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just like there are 10 crayons, there are 10 fingers and 2 thumbs. 10 fingers and thumbs, right? So now you can count backwards too. We'll start with the red crayon again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're done. Now this time we'll count by colors. How many green crayons are there? So now we're just going to count the green crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 4. Did you count 4? Now this kind of counting is called skip counting. Let's count by groups. This is called skip counting. You can count by twos. Look closely at the crayon. Each pair has 2 crayons. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I counted by twos, just the even numbers, and it made a pattern. Red, yellow, red. Now each group has 5 crayons. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's skip counting by 5s. Count them all. Let's count by 10s. Each group has 10 crayons. Are you ready to count to 100? This is fun. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So you could skip count, and you could do that with your hands too. You could pretend that each finger is 10 or 5 or 2. So see how many things you can count with your fingers at home. And next week, we'll try something different. Thanks for joining us, Kinder Club. See you next time.